I'm Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 4 Friar Avenue in Frenchville. This home sits on a peaceful cul-de-sac of only 8 homes. 2 things come to mind when I think of this home: privacy and beautiful lifestyle views. My favorite part of this home must be the easy flow from the modern kitchen to dining, living, and deck beyond. This star of the show here at 4 Friar Avenue has to be the beautiful deck with views over the Rockhampton city skyline. The perfect place to entertain family and friends and enjoy a glass of champagne. Under the house, you'll find a watertight workshop and additional parking. If a peaceful lifestyle in the heart of Frenchville is something that appeals to you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts, for more information.